he's had no time to settle in here. That's out. Gone off his very first delivery. It's a golden... Well, if they're going to get a good total here today, he just has to anchor the innings. Such an intimidating swing. Good ball. No runs given off that one. That's some great bowling. Batsman is out for 0 runs. It's a great catch. Most fielders wouldn't even attempt it. Not this guy. Good catch. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. That's the second wicket in a row. Some of the best hands in the business. And he proves it once more. What a catch. He's the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and just anchor the innings down. Chance for him to make it 3 in a row, but he misses out on that one. That's a hat-trick! After the new player in, he should just stay there until the end of the innings. He pushes that one onto the mid-wicket for more runs. Wobbled, nothing conceded. What a sensational catch. The fielder is ecstatic. He's gifted away his wicket. After the new player in, he should just stay there until the end of the innings. He's completely misread that ball. Unfortunately, he's gone for a duck. He's decided to bowl over the wickets. Try something a little bit different. Well, he's had no time to settle in here. That's out. Gone off his very first delivery. It's a golden duck. What a brilliant catch. Wickets tumbling at the other end. Hope he can survive the initial few deliveries. Well contained, a smart effort by the bowler. Chance for him to make it 3 in a row, but he misses out on that one. Batsman has failed to score any runs, proving to be pretty tricky conditions out here, slippery outfield, but he nails the catch. In this situation, with the man set at the other end, all he needs to do is just support. That's the second wicket in a row. Want to get under it? And he makes it. Terrific agility. This fielder is on fire. Wickets tumbling at the other end. Hope he can survive the initial few deliveries. Oh, that was so close. He's missed out on a hat-trick. Yeah, that's it. He completes the hat-trick. Nicely done. A loss of monumental proportions by an innings. Such brilliance in the field by the opposition. They've and bagging him the man of the match.